Welcome to Kwiiz Success Daily Current Affairs for August 27, 2026. Get the most important news in quick, exam-focused reads designed for your competitive preparation. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only. Always verify important facts through official government sources like the PIB or relevant ministry websites. The Ministry of Rural Development has launched Mission Samrid Gaon. This initiative aims to transform villages by eliminating poverty and ensuring livelihood opportunities for every family. The Public-Private Partnership Appraisal Committee has granted in-principle approval to privatize 11 airports across 5 bundles, with an estimated investment of over 8,600 crore rupees. Union Minister Rajnath Singh has approved the transfer of DRDO's conventional missile system technology to Indian defense manufacturers, boosting indigenous production and self-reliance. Minister Chirag Paswan has inaugurated the PMFME Bazaar, showcasing products from micro-food enterprises across 25 states to highlight India's rich culinary heritage. The UNDP and Hindustan Unilever have partnered to strengthen a plastic circular economy across 50 Indian cities, supporting waste workers and improving recycling systems. Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan has launched India's first indigenous non-GMO popcorn maize hybrid seed, developed through a partnership between ICAR IMR and private sector entities. The Indian Coast Guard and the Vietnam Coast Guard hosted the second edition of the joint exercise Sahyog Hop Tak in Chennai, focusing on maritime cooperation. WAE Limited has partnered with the UN Global Compact Network India to promote technology-driven water sustainability solutions and advance responsible business practices. SEBI has introduced an IT Resilience Index framework for market infrastructure institutions to evaluate the robustness of their critical IT systems. Tata Capital Limited has signed an MOU with Japan's Resona Bank to assist Japanese companies in exploring business opportunities and financial solutions within India. Goa Shipyard Limited has handed over the fast patrol vessel ICGS Ajit to the Indian Coast Guard, marking the 7th in a series of 8 advanced vessels. CSIRNAL has unveiled 3 indigenous micro and small gas turbine engines designed for defense UAVs and missile systems, showcasing progress in miniaturized propulsion technology. We remember country music legend Dolly Parton, who has passed away at 80. Her immense legacy in music, cinema, and philanthropy remains an inspiration worldwide. World Water Week, the leading global conference on water challenges, is observed during the last week of August. The 2026 theme is Water for People in Progress. Puducherry Chief Minister N. Rangasamy has presented a 14,300 crore rupee tax-free budget for the 2026-27 financial year, marking a 5.1% increase over the previous year. Union Minister Chirag Paswan inaugurated the PMFME Conclave and Bazaar in New Delhi. This event highlights microfood enterprises, promotes traditional products, and strengthens market linkages. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister C. Joseph Vijay announced the Annapurnam Super 6 scheme, providing 3 free LPG cylinders to economically disadvantaged women, starting in January 2026. In international news, the United Nations and the International Committee of the Red Cross have jointly called for legally binding rules to regulate autonomous weapons. India and China recently reaffirmed their commitment to maintaining peace and stability along their shared border, following high-level boundary discussions held in Beijing. Dear students, we understand that preparing for competitive exams leaves you with little time to read lengthy news articles every day. That's why we bring you important current affairs and the latest news in quick, easy-to-read summaries, carefully selected to focus on what matters most for your examination preparation. For more details, please visit kwiiz.success.org.in. Stay informed, save time, prepare smarter, succeed with confidence. AI is transforming how we learn, work, and grow. Today, learning AI is essential to unlock new career opportunities and make daily activities smarter. Learn practical AI and digital marketing with AI IntelliPulse. Don't just keep up with technology, lead it. Download the AI IntelliPulse app free, claim your 50% discount, and build a smarter, future-ready career today. Please visit kwiiz.success.org.in to access our AI-powered test series designed for competitive exam preparation. Download the Kwiiz Success mobile app and enjoy an exclusive 50% discount. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive our daily educational updates. Thank you.